In just 5 minutes, I'll show you how to rotoscope in After Effects like a pro. We'll master the Roto brush tool step by step, perfect the Refine Edge tool for those crisp, clean cuts, then create that mind-blowing text behind subject effect everyone's obsessed with right now. But here's where it gets crazy. We're adding epic movement and cinematic effects that will make your content stand out and go viral. These are the same techniques professionals use in Hollywood. And of course, we'll do all of this inside After Effects using tools you already have. So without further ado, let's get started. This is my clip, as you can see. Double-click on the composition to open it. Now, using the Roto brush tool, start selecting your subject. You can adjust the size of the brush by holding Control or Command on Mac and dragging with your mouse, but I like the current size, so I'll keep it as is. Next, I'll use the Refine Edge tool. You'll want to use this especially on hair or any detailed areas that are hard to capture with the basic Roto brush. In my case, my subject is dancing, so it's better to use it here for cleaner edges. To check your selection, toggle the view modes to see if it's accurate. Once you're happy with it, click the freeze button so After Effects can lock in the selection. After freezing the shape, you might notice some lag while working. To fix this, we'll render the selection. Go to Composition, Pre-Render. Set the format to QuickTime, the video codec to Animation, and the channels to RGB plus alpha. Then click Render. Make sure to place your background layer underneath your selection. Now let's add text behind the subject. Place the text layer below the selection layer. You can use any text you like. I'll also scale up the shape layer a bit to make it look cooler. Next, we'll add a motion effect. Duplicate your selection layer twice. Select the two duplicate layers, press P to open position, and click the stopwatch icon to create a keyframe. Move forward a bit on the timeline, then move one layer to the left and the other to the right. Select the keyframes, press F9 to easy ease them, and adjust the graph editor to match my speed graph for smoother motion. To enhance the effect, you can add an echo effect from the effects panel. You can also apply Lumetri color to grade your clip and make it look even better. If you want a glowing look, add a deep glow plugin. If you don't have it, you can use the default glow effect for a nice bloom. Finally, add CC Light Sweep to make your subject shine. Copy my settings to get a polished result.
This is the end of the tutorial. If it helped you even a little, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel, especially with how the algorithm works these days. Thanks so much for watching.